Callie. I am the fox. And I'm the wood chopper. I'm Grandma.
That's cute.
Callie, we're starting. Little Red Riding Hood is at home one day making cookies.
I'm going to bring these cookies to my sick grandma.
While Little Red Riding Hood is walking to Grandma's house, she sees a fox.
Where are you going? I'm going to my sick grandma's to bring her these cookies.
Hey, her mouth isn't moving.
The fox runs ahead to Grandma's house. Stuart.
Wait, sit up. You can't see.
What's going on?
Happening.
Lolly, lolly, da.
The audience can't see
Hi,
anything.
Grandma.
Oh, it's terrible.
Stuart, Stuart.
What?
Easy.
Lolly, dolly, da. Hi, Grandma. Lolly, dolly, da. Hi, Grandma. What big?
Where's Grandma?
What big eyes
Callie.
you have? The better to see.
Grandma keeps looking up at the stars.
What big ears you have? The better to hear you with, my dear. What big mouth you have? Teeth you have? The better to eat you with, my dear. Ah! Dun 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 dun. Stay away.
Oh, a chopper.
Oh, that's the woodchopper.
Okay, we got it, Stuart. Tell Kaylee while you're at it.
And they all lived happily ever after.
And there's Grandma.
Wait.
Wait, Grandma's
Wait.
not out yet.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, Grandma. Are you okay?
She's up high, we can't see. She's not okay. She's got her mouth tied up.
Are you okay? Yes.
The end.
The end?
Is that the end?
Oh wait, he needs.
Wait, why don't you guys stand up and say who you really were
You
and
have to
stuff?
have your characters with you.
I'll be the fox. No, I'm the fox. Thank you.
Yay!
Now take a bow. Take a bow.
Everybody bow.
Yay. And the narrator, take a bow.